Morning, good night then. We're in our Limak spa. Can have our friend here from Uzbekistan. Acia, she's swimming all time. We have a little kitties here. They have a lots of kitties, and look at this baby. It's a little baby. It's a little baby. Look at this. Look at this, black and white. And they're hiding. Ooh, hiding right away. They live under the cover. There's a lot of babies here, yeah? Ishmael Bay? Yeah. Look at that. Oh, gray one. Gray baby. You just can see the eyes. They're hiding. It is very smart. Very smart kittens. They're hiding. They спрятались. Кошки спрятались. Они живут под этим... там они живут. Видишь дырочка? Вон она маленькая. Там несколько их, они разноцветные.
Да, бело-черная, а вторая черно-белая.
So this is life. We have a little kittens here. My friend Vera, she's here. So everybody relaxing in a beautiful area of Limak Thermal Boutique Hotel. And this is Valentina live from Limak, Yalova. +1 561 335 9459. If you like to visit here, they have an amazing breakfast and dinner including as restaurant. They have a place for the lunch as well, and it's a very nice place located between mountains. Thermal. We see here the mosque. We always hear the song from them. This is Acia. She's swimming as a dolphin. She's all the way from Tashkent, Uzbekistan. And your mom from Bukhara, yeah? You want to see more kids? More kittens? I think they're hiding. Вылез один, да? Один вылез. Ой, этот маленький котеночек, красавец такой, спрятался. This is it.